So we're gonna hook this thing up right here, and there's the hookup right there, so you can see. Oh yeah, it goes in there, right? So let's put this on. So you gotta turn that on, and it has to calibrate right here. So what it's doing, it's calibrating. As we are gonna be waiting, it's gonna be calibrating. Yeah, so we plugged it in for the. Alright, so it has the check part. As we are gonna see. Yep, there it is. So there's the area how you know how to get to the stereo.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Type in Angola.
Hang on.
Enter zip code 1 4 0 0 6. Enter zip code. A
N
G O L.
Angola. We got two options. We got Angola and
Pick
Y.
one.
Let's choose the top one. See what that does. Street name, Madison Avenue.
M
There it is.
A.
Okay.
Oh wait. So how do you?
D.
Yep, there it is. And
5 5 4.
and press the go button.
Proceed to the highlighted route, Frontier Street.
There you go. So that is gonna do how it is, viewers. Make sure to like, subscribe to this video, and comment down below what you want me to see next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.